Hi, I'm going to help you sound out letters, and then when we put them together, you will be able to read a word. Now, I have magnetic letters that I just bought at the dollar store, and I am using my refrigerator at home, so you can do this at home, or you can do this in the classroom if you get a little white magnetic board or anything in your classroom that is magnetic, you can stick these letters to. So the first word we are going to work on starts with the letter D. Da, da, da is what the letter D sounds like. Over here we have the letters A and D. Add, add, add. Da, add, da, add.